Hello everyone, welcome back to the Jessing. So, as many of you probably noticed, I haven't uploaded for almost a week. But I have reasons for that. It's because I've had, like, a ton of homework lately. So I really didn't have any time to film a video. So, that's why. But anyway, today what we're going to do is we're going to show you just how to make one of those biodegradable bird feeders. And I'm doing it now because there's a ton of birds that are like really hungry. Let me show you. There's some juncos, there's some sparrows. They're all pretty small birds. There's a couple cardinals, robins, stuff like that. So we'll just get into the video and see you later. Bye! So, what we first need to do is get some peanut butter. Well, actually, that's not what we first need to do. We need to get a toilet paper roll. So let me go find one real quick. Alright, I got the toilet paper roll. So now, let's get into the fridge. Find some peanut butter. There it is. The crunchy stuff's probably better for them because they can actually eat that. So, we are going to microwave it first because it's very hard to spread when it's cold. I don't know if I should microwave the plastic, but I'll take the cap off here a second. Alright, show you when it's done. Alright, so, I tried microwaving this, but I didn't realize there was a metal seal on there. So, it unfortunately sparked, but it did no damage from what I could see. So, I didn't microwave it anymore. And this, seal's hard to remove. So, basically what we're going to do is we're going to take some peanut butter out, put it on the plate, or maybe just, rub it on the roll here. Then we'll fill this plate with bird seed, dip it in, and do all that stuff. So, the others are coming back now, so here we go. Whee! Boom! Okay, we have finished the roll thing with peanut butter. So now what we're going to do is fill this plate with bird seed, and I'll show you the bird seed container, and hopefully we'll catch a bird or two outside in the tree. So, yeah, the peanut butter tastes good. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here is the wooden cup, and this is a kind of shallow bucket of seeds because out there is the seed pile, and right there is the bird tree. So, and they eat a ton of these seeds. So, I'll just get a few, bring them over, dump them on the plate, and then that should be about enough. I'll just dump the rest back in here, and there we go. So, alright, let me quickly dip it in the stuff, and we'll see you later. Little intermission here. This right here is the maple syrup boiling thing. We're boiling the maple sap. So basically, that's the pot, and that for your environmentalists, that's not dangerous smoke, it's just weed. And basically, we get a lot of maple syrup from that, so yeah.
We've got two 5-gallon buckets here of sap, and this will take all day to cook down.
Yeah, so if you have a ton of sap, then it will reduce to a small amount of syrup because it has to turn into concentrate, I guess. Alright, bye. Back to the video. And we are already almost done. There we go. Okay. And there. That should be just about enough seeds for the birds in the trees. So let's go ahead and try to stick it on a tree branch. See ya. Alright, out into the cold we go. It shouldn't be winter again. It was literally just all grass, and then a ton of snow came. And now it's real cold again, which kind of stinks. So, this is the tree. That's the seed pile. You've seen this tree in some other videos. Right here is a white twisty tie that my brother put on that branch for biology class, I guess. So, let's see. I'll put it, I'll find a thick branch here. Maybe, like right here. Gosh, this snow's hard to walk on. I think it's solid enough that you don't need that you're not gonna sink in, but then you do. Okay. I'll have to break off these little branches coming off of it. So yeah. Alright, they're broken off. Here we go. I should attract lots of the good guys. Or maybe females too. There is a couple cardinals. A couple female ones. They're really big compared to the juncos. If you've never seen a junco. They're basically just your average small seed birds that are gray and white on the bottom. So, yeah, that's it. So, let's just do the outro here. Bye. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on, how to make a compostable bird feeder. Tell me in the comments if it attracted lots of them good, birds. And, thanks for watching. Goodbye!